Welcome back to my morning report. Charts appraisals on Thursday, the 17th of September with me, Rich Bear Market Analyst at Tech Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen now, and we've got this just taking a step back in front of the Fed. We've got this trading range that's basically built up. No real signals. Certainly, in the last week or so, all the candles have become increasingly sort of indecisive, neutral. Lots of small bodies, lots of long shadows, which suggests indecisive trading. And you can see that reflected pretty much in the momentum indicators. Slight improvement in the RSI, but still pretty much back to 50. So, and not really going anywhere very fast. So pretty much neutral on all those indicators, and sort of reflective of this range that we're in. And I think that basically, if the Fed hikes, we could see a test to the top of the range, perhaps 21.30 being the initial resistance. 21.70 is that sort of line of sort of breakout on this range, and that could well be seen if the Fed hikes. I don't think the Fed is going to hike, and I think that the dollar yen will be coming lower again on that news. But it's interesting that we're seeing this sort of move into a more sort of consolidation outlook. Certainly on the hourly chart, look at that. MACD lines basically neutral. RSI also sort of trading between 30 and 70. So no real signals either way on that. It's increasingly neutral. Slight gains, you would argue, today. 30 odd pips up on the day on dollar yen, which is pretty much at odds with other forex. Certainly the euro strengthening is suggestive of a risk-on outlook, actually, interestingly enough. So maybe that's suggestive of no hike, but certainly it's an interesting one, and lots of interesting nuances going to be in this Fed meeting statement as well, and also the dot plots. So lots to look out for, lots to drive volatility at 7 o'clock this evening, and I think it's going to be a crazy one. But moving into that data or that announcement, we're still fairly settled on this dollar yen without any real sort of sign of any breakout. So interesting in the consolidation. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.